Are you tired of dull, uneven, or acne-prone skin that just won't behave, no matter how many products you try? What if you find the secret to clearer, smoother and glowing skin could actually come from the earth itself? Yes, we're talking about clay masks. These ancient beauty treatments have been used for centuries, and science today is catching up to why they work so well. Clay masks do much more than just dry on your face and make you look like a statue for 10 minutes. They help detoxify your skin, absorb excess oil, clear out clogged pores, and improve overall skin tone. So, how should you use a clay mask for best results? Here's your simple 5-step guide. Start with a clean face, use a gentle cleanser and warm water, apply the mask evenly with your fingers or brush, leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, shorter if your skin is sensitive, rinse it off with warm water and pat dry and finish with your favorite moisturizer. And remember, once or twice a week is enough. Overdoing it can make your skin dry or irritated. Always do a patch test first, especially if you have sensitive or dry skin. A small amount on your inner arm can help you spot any reactions before you apply it to your face. In short, clay masks are a simple, affordable, and natural way to give your skin a weekly detox and a beautiful glow. With the right choice and routine, you'll notice smoother texture, tighter pores, and a refreshed look that makes your skin feel alive again. So go ahead, treat your skin to some earthly love. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare and wellness tips.